Welcome back to Engineering Mechanics, Lecture 19. And in Lecture 19, we will focus on internal forces for non-orthogonal hinged frames. And so these non-orthogonal hinged frames is a fancy word for pretty much roof structures and anything else that has non-right-angled corners. So our first objective, therefore, will be to introduce frames without those right angles and then pretty much look at those for the support reactions and the internal forces, as we see here. Ultimately, we want to, of course, draw the internal force diagrams as always, but we want to do that for three different cases really. We want to do that for self-weight, for what's called snow load, and for wind load. All those are three cases that can exist on roof structures, and we will now look at those. And in fact, I will start with the very first case, which is the self-weight.